Have you ever wondered where the burial garment of Jesus went? The linen cloth that was used by Joseph of Arimathea and Nicodemus to wrap Jesus' body after he died from the crucifixion? Well, it is being kept in the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist in Turin, Italy since 1578 and is now being called the Shroud of Turin. It is one of the most studied and controversial artifacts in history. Just recently, this August 2024, a new X-ray technique shows that the Shroud of Turin dates back 2,000 years, aligning with the historical period of Jesus Christ's life and crucifixion. The new results show that the linen cloth is significantly older than what was found in the dating test conducted in 1988. In this bulletproof glass chapel, the Shroud of Turin is being kept, laid on that altar covered by a sheet of precious fabric. It is only being exposed every 5 years or upon the request of the Pope. The next time it will be exposed is in 2025. According to history, the Holy Shroud first emerged in the hands of a famous knight who gave it to the wealthy Savoy family and was brought to their new capital in Turin. The Royal Palace has access to the Holy Shroud of Turin. The palace overlooks the Cathedral of St. John the Baptist. Above the altar is the 17th century structure that would house the Holy Shroud, but because it was damaged by fire before, the shroud was transferred to that bulletproof glass chapel.